Welcome to Media Britannics, and thank you for joining this complete tutorial on becoming a graphic designer and offering design services professionally. In this video, we will walk through how graphic designers create real value for clients through visual communication. Graphic design is not only about making things look good, but about solving problems using visuals. It plays an important role in how brands are seen, understood, and remembered by people. From logos to social media content, design shapes first impressions every day. This guide is created to be clear, practical, and easy to follow. Whether you are just starting or improving your skills, this tutorial is designed to help you move forward with confidence. Graphic design is the process of creating visual content to communicate messages in a clear and effective way. Designers use colors, shapes, typography, spacing, and layout to express ideas visually. Every design has a purpose, such as building trust, promoting a product, or delivering information. Good design balances creativity with clarity so the message is easy to understand. It also considers the target audience and the platform where the design will appear. Graphic design is used in both digital and print media across many industries. Understanding this foundation is the first step toward offering design services professionally. One of the most common services graphic designers offer is logo design. A logo represents a brand's identity in a simple and recognizable visual form. It should be memorable, clear, and flexible enough to work in many situations. Designers need to understand the brand's values, mission, and audience before starting the design. Research and sketching are important steps before moving into digital design. A strong logo must work well in full color and also in black and white. Logo design is highly valuable because every business needs a strong visual identity. Branding goes beyond just creating a logo and includes the full visual identity of a business. This often includes color palettes, fonts, patterns, icons, and overall design style. A consistent brand identity helps businesses appear professional and trustworthy to customers. Graphic designers help clients maintain visual consistency across websites, social media, and marketing materials. Branding also supports long-term recognition and customer loyalty. Designers often create brand guidelines to show how visuals should be used correctly. Offering branding services can lead to long-term and repeat client relationships. Website design elements are another important area of graphic design services. These elements include banners, buttons, icons, headers, and overall layout visuals. Designers often work closely with web developers or directly with clients to ensure designs are user-friendly. Clear navigation and visual balance help improve the user experience. Website graphics must load fast and look good on different screen sizes. Designers also think about readability and accessibility for all users. This service is in high demand as more businesses move online. Social media graphics are essential for modern marketing and online visibility. Businesses rely on visuals to grab attention on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Graphic designers create posts, stories, banners, thumbnails, and profile visuals. These designs must follow brand identity and platform guidelines. Clear text, strong visuals, and good layout help increase engagement. Designers also revise and adapt designs for different formats. Social media design services often involve ongoing work with clients. To start offering graphic design services, strong design skills are very important. Learning basic design principles such as alignment, contrast, balance, and hierarchy helps improve quality. Regular practice using design software helps build confidence and speed. Studying professional designs helps you understand what works and why. Getting feedback from others allows you to improve faster. Skill development never stops in graphic design. Consistent practice leads to better results and stronger services. Choosing the right design tools is an important step for any graphic designer. Popular tools are used for vector design, photo editing, and layout creation. Each tool has specific strengths depending on the type of work. Designers should focus on mastering a few tools instead of trying to learn everything at once. Knowing shortcuts and advanced features saves time and increases productivity. Using licensed software is important for professional and legal reasons. Tools support creativity but do not replace good design thinking. Creating a professional portfolio is essential for attracting clients. A portfolio shows your best work and highlights your design style clearly. It should include different types of projects such as logos, branding, and social media designs. Each project should explain the design goal and the solution you created. Quality is more important than showing to many projects. An online portfolio makes it easy for clients to view your work anytime. Keeping your portfolio updated helps it stay relevant. Understanding your target clients helps you offer better and more focused services. Some designers work mainly with small businesses, while others focus on startups or content creators. Knowing your client type helps you communicate clearly and set realistic expectations. Designers should listen carefully to client goals and feedback during projects. Good listening builds trust and avoids misunderstandings. Professional behavior matters as much as design skill. Strong client relationships lead to repeat work and referrals. Setting clear service packages helps clients understand exactly what you offer. Packages may include logo design, branding sets, or social media design bundles. Clear service descriptions prevent confusion and save time for both sides. Designers should explain what is included and how revisions are handled. Transparency builds trust and confidence with clients. Pricing should reflect skill level, time, and effort. Well-structured packages make services easier to sell. Time management is an important skill for graphic designers. Handling multiple projects requires planning and organization. Designers should set realistic deadlines and work consistently to meet them. Using task lists or calendars helps manage daily workload. Good time management improves design quality and reduces stress. Clients appreciate reliable and timely delivery. Managing time well supports long-term success in design work. Understanding basic design trends can help keep your work modern and relevant. Trends change often, but strong design fundamentals remain important. Designers should avoid copying trends without understanding their purpose. Choosing trends that match the brand message works better than following everything. Staying updated helps designers remain competitive in the industry. Timeless design often performs better than short-lived trends. Balance between trend awareness and originality is important.